Hello, I'm Cara and I'm excited to introduce myself for a position on board with Effie. With 7 years of experience in customer service and hospitality, I've developed a passion for delivering exceptional experiences. My background includes working with diverse clientele, handling sales, and providing top-notch service. I'm drawn to Effie Collection's exquisite jewelry pieces, which reflects elegance and sophistication. I'm impressed by the brand's attention to detail and commitment to quality. I believe Effie should hire me because I bring a unique blend of customer service expertise, enthusiasm for luxury brands, and adaptability. I'm confident in my ability to effectively promote Effie collections and provide exceptional service to clients. I'm thrilled about the opportunity to join the Effie family because I share the brand's values of excellence, elegance, and dedication to customer satisfaction. I'm eager to contribute my skills and experience to showcase Effie's stunning jewelry pieces to passengers and guests on board. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further. Thank you.